Hello everybody. Today I would like to do a comparison between standard configuration and the Ossie modified circuit configuration on my Bedini. And here are the two variants. First are the standard one, and the second one is Ossie's modification, which is a Tesla switch that is frozen. But instead of having two batteries here, I will have only one, 12 volts, and instead of a battery here, I will have a condenser, a capacitor, and a bleeding resistor. And when I switch over to this, I will just adjust the voltage to 24 volts, and the same it will be a capacitor and a resistor here. And then I will use this formula to calculate COP. And down here is the capacitor, and up here is my resistor, and this is the primary battery that I will use, and this is, so you can see the current and the voltage, and here is the voltage over the capacitor. And I have to stress that this is what's happening when you are using a capacitor and not using batteries. And what's happening when you're using batteries is not a concern of this little test. And this is just the standard, and here you can see the speed or the hertz, if you can see it on the movie. So this is standard configuration, and let's see if I can go down to 12 volts like that, and it seems to be quite stable. I have 12 volts, 1.06 amperage, and I have, let's see, what's that? The resistor is at, what is it? It's 19.8 ohms. So we can calculate the COP, which will be, now let's see, we have, let's go down again, like that. 12 squared divided by, no, go back, not that voltage, the other voltage. I have 11.73 squared divided by the resistance, which is 19.8 divided by 12 divided by 1.06, and we have COP, which is about 55%. Okay, now let's switch to Ossie mode like this, and we will raise this to 24 volts like this, and we will change the resistance to 7.8 ohms like that, and it is quite stable here. Okay, now let's calculate again. We have 12.19 squared divided by 7.8 divided by 24, okay, 0.1 divided by 1.03 equals 77%. That's COP now. Okay, So once again, here are the two setups. This was it some 50 something, and this was 70 something, when the secondary is a capacitor and the primary is something like this. Okay, thanks for watching.